from Mannheim. It's actually the next day now, and we're going back to Heidelberg. We had to leave the last time we were in Heidelberg because it was getting late. We had to feed the cats, and we didn't realize it would take that long to get into Heidelberg from Mannheim. It seems so close on the map, and it is. If you take a car to Heidelberg from Mannheim, it's like a half hour. By the trams, it's like
an hour 20 to get to Heidelberg, but then it's about a 45 to an hour walk to get to the old town from that stop.
Yeah, so it takes a long time, and we kind of left a little late in the day last time. But today, we will not have that problem because it is 4 a.m. We woke up at 3 because we want to go drone.
Just so we know that that's a regular thing I do. This is the first time I got Morgan come along with me. She's such a morning person.
Well, luckily I loaded up on some croissants. Something interesting, I guess, from Mannheim, we're taking like the inner city tram, train station, take the tram, blah, blah, blah. Basically, we're just taking trams the whole way. But the crazy thing is nobody ever checks your ticket to see if you actually bought one. So everyone's just getting on and off the tram, and no one's ever checking their tickets. And
I mean, we buy one anyway.
We did buy them. We bought one today, and we bought one last time. If you lived here, though, I could see why you would not do it. I mean, if no one's ever gonna check, but the one time they do check, then they're really gonna get you, and so it's always worth it. But the people who live here, I'm sure, have some sort of city cards. It's just interesting that they don't check it. Maybe they will today. Maybe we'll be proven wrong. You really can just get away with it, usually. Not that we recommend you doing that. I'm so tired.
You're not even pushing the stop.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? Making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer, making me stronger, making me stronger,
Harrison does have a point about getting up early. No one's here, so I just walked right into the castle grounds. Yesterday there were guards here, but nobody's here to tell me not to come in. So no one's here. It's beautiful, and you get this view off of yourself and for free. Only problem is Harrison's off droning, so I don't get to have any cool photos here. There's no tripod, and there's not really anywhere to put the camera. I'll take some selfies, I guess. We really need a tripod.
what can I do to make you stay a little longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a little longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Now what?
Now we stay here. That's it. We literally have no choice. But you always have the ever-present tumor, which is our money belt. Don't tell anyone.
My tumor sounds like change.
It's a special kind of tumor. The pus, instead of pus, it's coins. I would always want tumors then.
So painful.
Yeah, but you get some money. It's so worth it. Oh my god! This is like another mini castle before the main castle. What is this building? Green screen. See the green screen? There's this thing, this like funicular that you can go on, little roller coaster ride up from the city, and then it takes you right up to the castle, but we ain't no bitch asses and we walked.
Spending the 1580 euro just on the tram to get
Just to get here is a ridiculous amount for us.
Hours walk away.
What would take a half hour by car takes us almost 3 hours, and we have to walk an hour of it. So we would not add one more mode of transportation. You could totally help us by hitting that subscribe button. What? Please hit subscribe. Please, we need you.
That was my dancing Uncle Sam.
Yeah, that was really weird. Bye. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So I know that some people don't like swearing. Sorry, but not really sorry, because this is how I talk in real life, I swear. When it all comes down to it, these are just our memories. We don't know if we're ever gonna make a cent off YouTube. We're definitely not now, and this isn't really yet. We would like it to be maybe eventually a job, sort of, but for right now it's not. It's just our memories. I don't really want to water myself down. I want to remember it as I was and how I normally talk and how I like people to talk. I'm sorry if you don't like it. It's just a swear here or there. Maybe I'll change my tune if one day we end up getting somewhere with YouTube. You know, maybe I will end up censoring myself then. I am trying not to swear as much because, you know, it's unnecessary, I guess, but sometimes it's just the way it comes out and I naturally talk. I also don't like the idea of watering myself down to please the lowest common denominator of people. If you like us or our personality or what we show, that's awesome, and I don't want to change myself to be something I'm not, some clean, fake person. I'm not like that. I'm a mess, and that's me. I'm sorry if you don't like it. I don't think I swear that much.
Preach it. Yeah.
Stop.
Believe. Go, girl.
Stop.
You slay.
Harrison, I'm trying to get some shots of the city, and then I pan over and you're just being a little monster. Out of hand. This isn't the prettiest example, but all over Germany and I guess Europe, there's all these tiny little doors. I wonder what's the deal with these doors. Why are they so tiny? Carson's contemplating taking this backpack. Well, I found a croissant on the floor of the bus and he wouldn't let me eat it. Say that it was still in the wrapping and it was not just a regular croissant, it was filled with vanilla, like icing. So I really held myself back there.
Man, we're really painting a bad image for ourselves. We're trash picker, eat food
well,
off
we're
the floor of a train.
we're just being recycling people, you know?
As he rode by you, he saw you had a camera and was like, oh, I gotta perform. And
Really?
Literally, yeah, because he was going straight the whole time. Then he just saw you and he went, oh.
My man!
So good. So good. I got a pretzel.
So typical German fare, we have a taser, a gun, pepper spray, next to this beautiful dress. The monkey is holding a mirror. You can put your head inside his head and then look in the mirror and he says, you laughed at me and now you can laugh at yourself.